Good day to you, sixth period. Mr. Kelly, Mr. Hardy here at Civics Lab. Going to tell you what you have to do today. All right, so obviously Mr. Hardy and I are not in today. You have things to do, however. You have things to do that will impact your third quarter grade. All right, I've got a checklist here for you. Make sure you have finished your Unit 2 test. Make sure you have finished your Unit 2 test writing. Make sure you have finished your Declaration of Independence Edpuzzle and Founding Ideas quizzes. Also, don't forget you need to complete the attendance sheet, which is a Google form. All right? That's it, guys. Have a great spring break. We'll see you on the Wednesday following spring break. Have a great class period, and we'll see you after the break.